Namaskaram. Wishing you all a very, very happy new year. We welcome you all to Margary in San Francisco 2021. Virtual Music and Dance Festival by Chorus Charas, Destination for Arts, partnered with Sri Vidya Dance School. Hope you all had a wonderful 2021. Looking forward to a very good 2022 as well. Thank you, everyone, for celebrating MISF with us. We are honored to host this program virtually so that many people around the globe can participate. Isn't it true that technology has worked the best for us in the time of COVID? It has given us a platform to bring the world closer. It is super exciting to watch the performances live from home. Oh, and how have you been enjoying the trivia? Let's see what Aishu has today for the trivia section.
Welcome to another episode of Margari Trivia. For these days, we've seen how important Margari is in India. But did you know that Margari is also a very important festival in other parts of the world, especially in Thailand? Let me tell you a short story of how it is important. Did you know that in Thailand there is an annual ceremony known as the Tiriyampavai or the Tirupavai, which is celebrated in praise of Lord Shiva? It is believed that Lord Shiva visits Thailand at the end of every year. He is offered rice, fruits, and vegetables. A great swing ceremony is celebrated to make him happy. The swing ceremony was abolished after some major accidents, but in the present day, the Tiriyampavai is celebrated indoors in the Devasthanam temple of Bangkok. It is believed that Tiruvempavai was introduced to Thailand by Tamils who migrated to Siam in the 14th century. Historical evidences confirm that the ritual of Tiruvempavai has been observed at the ancient capital of Thailand. Initially, it was observed just as a penance and fasting, but later it got royal patronage and became one of the 12 royal ceremonies combined with the swing ceremony. You know what is more interesting? After 10 days, it is the beloved our Narai, Vishnu, is said to come to visit Shiva and blesses Thailand for 5 days. And thus, the Tirupavai is also recited. Isn't it amazing how we can find a melange of cultures across the globe and especially relating to the Tirupavai and the Tiruvampavai?
Today we have our hosts Akila Rao and Swati Lakshmanan performing for our own MISF 2021. Isn't that exciting? The host performing for us? Swati and Akila are the founders of this wonderful festival that was first aired in the year 2020 and received international acclaim. When the pandemic was hitting everybody hard, the two quickly came with an idea of spreading a wide platform to showcase and enthrall each one of us with various artists showcasing their art forms from around the world. Isn't that great? What a beautiful idea that converted into MISF, virtual platform for dance and music. Akila Rao on the Natuangam started learning Bharatnatyam at the age of 7 under Sri Pasumarthi Ramalinga Shastri, who hails from the town of Kuchipudi and also learned Bharatnatyam from Srimati Rukmini Devi Arundel, a renowned Bharatnatyam dancer, choreographer, and founder of Kalakshetra Foundation in Chennai. Over the last 30 years, Srimati Akila has performed in numerous ballets and performed in notable sabhas in Chennai and other cities across the world. Srimati Akila was fortunate to continue learning a variety of dance compositions from renowned gurus, including the Dhananjayans, the Charis, and the other experienced teachers from the Kalakshetra Bani. In addition to learning dance, she also learned Indian classical music from D. Sheshachari, one of the famed Hyderabad brothers. As Srimati Akila pursued her education in architecture, she continued to demonstrate her passion for art and architecture, the essence in the journey of her life. During her brief stay in Malaysia, she was fortunate to perform at various programs with renowned dancer, choreographer Ajit Bhaskaran Das and his troupe. She has collaborated with numerous charitable organizations in the US and performed for cultural events for fundraising and to spread the value of this great ancient art. Srimati Akila continues to train and teach students of all ages. The path to teaching is also learning. Srimati Akila Rao continues to learn the art form under experienced teachers from the Kalakshetra Bani. The goal of her school is to impart the traditional way of the Guru Shishya Parampara, teaching where the students learn the traditional theory and practice of Bharatnatyam dance form, along with life values of self-respect, discipline, and traditions, and most importantly, carry the passion for the dance throughout their lifetime. Swati Lakshmanan. She started learning Bharatnatyam at the age of 9 from Guru Sri K. Mohanan, Assistant Professor, Kalakshetra Foundation, Chennai, India. Swati has staged many performances, productions, and has received honors, recognitions, and awards for the same. Swati is visual communication graduate, but took dance as her profession, but uses her visual communication skills wisely in every possible aspect while planning the dance and her dance productions. Swati is also a very passionate dancer and a teacher and teaches students from around the world. Swati Lakshmanan is also a recipient of Natya Kala Ratna Award by Ganamukunda Priya, Chennai, India, for her perseverance in the art. Asia Book of Records and India Book of Records for conducting Margari in San Francisco Virtual Music and Dance Festival 2020.
Thank you to Margari in San Francisco 2021 for this wonderful opportunity. I'll start today's presentation with a piece in praise of Lord Ganesha, Gajanana. This is in Talam, Mishra Chapu, and the dance choreography is by Sri Shamjat Kiran.
गणपतये नमः। ॐ गं गणपतये नमः। ॐ गं गणपतये नमः। गजानन 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 गजमुखं हे 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 गजानन 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 गजमुखं जयति जय गणपति गजानन वक्रतुण्ड सुमतिशुभानन जयति जय गणपति गजानन वक्रतुण्ड सुमतिशुभानन शुभशकुन शुभयोग शुभमङ्गल सुशोभा प्रथम पूजन शुभशकुन शुभयोग शुभमङ्गल सुशोभा प्रथम पूजन गजानन 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 गजमुखं हे गजानन 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 गजमुखं पीतांबरण पिप्पिलितायति प्रियसुस्वभावे पीतांबरण पिप्पिलितायति प्रियसुस्वभावे तुण्डतुण्डिलतनु त्रिभङ्गि त्रिकालकाल स्वयं समावे तुण्डतुण्डिलतनु त्रिभङ्गि त्रिकालकाल स्वयं समावे वेदपण्डितवन्दनं वाहनविराजितमूषकं वेदपण्डितवन्दनं वाहनविराजितमूषकं तव कपिलकाया कञ्चनं करकमलकोमलमोहकं तव कपिलकाया कञ्चनं करकमलकोमलमोहकम् कुन्तलकुञ्ज किरीटकुण्डल किरणकोश कुशलक्रमागत कुन्तलकुञ्ज किरीटकुण्डल किरणकोश कुशलक्रमागत हे गजानन 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 गजमुखं हे गजानन 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 गजमुखं जयति जय गणपति गजानन वक्रतुण्ड सुमतिशुभानन शुभशकुन शुभयोग शुभमङ्गल सुशोभा प्रथम पूजन गजानन 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 गजमुखं हे गजानन 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 गजमुखं हे गजानन 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 गजमुखं हे गजानन 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 गजमुखं गजानन गजमुखं गजानन गजमुखं गजानन गजमुखं गजानन गजमुखं
performing is a Kirtanam, Tungatarange Gange. This piece is in praise of the most revered river in the world, Ganga. This item is in Ragam, Hamsadhvani, Talam Adi, composition by Sadashiva Brahmendra and dance choreography by Srimati Nirmala Nagaraj of Kalakshetra.
देवी सुरेश्वरी भगवती गंगे त्रिभुवनकारिणी तरल तरंगे शंकर मौली विहारिणी विमले मम मतिरास्ता तव पद कमले तव पद कमले कमले तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय तुंगतरंगे
धळं कुतक दिक्कुतक तदिंगिण तोम नदीं तदीं तदिंगिण तोम ता नदीं तदीं गिण तोम नदीं तदीं तदिंगिण तोम ता नदीं तदीं गिण तोम नदीं ततक दीं तकिट तक नदीं ततां किडतक धरिकिडतोम नदीं ततां किडतक धरिकिडतोम नदीं ततां ता धरिकिडतोम
तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय जय तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय जय तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय जय तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय जय तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय जय तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय जय तुंगतरंगे गंगे कमल भवांड करंड पवित्रे बहुविध बंधन चेतल वित्रे कमल भवांड करंड पवित्रे बहुविध बंधन चेतल वित्रे बहुविध बंधन चेतल वित्रे करण्ड पवित्रे बहुविध बन्धन चेदलवित्रे सा रि गरि रि रि नि प प ग ग रि रि ग प ग रि प स नि रि सा रि ग रि 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 नि प प ग ग रि रि ग प ग रि प स नि रि सा नि प ग सा नि प ग रि नि प ग रि नि प ग रि स ग रि प ग रि स रि नि प ग रि ग स नि प ग रि ग प नि प ग प नि स नि ग रि स नि प रि स नि प ग रि ग प नि रि तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय तुंगतरंगे गंगे गंगे दूरीकृत जन पाप समूहे पूरित कच्छप उच्चग्राहे दूरीकृत जन पाप समूहे पूरित कच्छप उच्चग्राहे परमहंस गुरु भणित चरित्रे ब्रह्मा विष्णु शंकर नूति पात्रे परमहंस गुरु भणित चरित्रे ब्रह्मा विष्णु शंकर नूति पात्रे सा रि ग रि रि नि नि प प ग ग रि रि ग प ग नि प स नि रि सा नि ग रि रि नि नि प प ग ग रि रि ग प ग नि प स नि रि सा नि प ग सा नि प ग रि नि प ग रि नि प ग रि स ग रि प ग रि स रि नि प ग रि ग स नि प ग रि ग प नि प ग प नि स नि ग रि स नि प रि स नि प ग रि ग प नि रि तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय तुंगतरंगे गंगे जय 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 जय तुंगतरंगे गंगे 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 गंगे
The next item I will be performing is Nada Hare. This is an Ashtapadi from the Gita Govindam, written by Jayadeva. This is in Ragam Vasanti, Talam Mishra Chapu, and the dance choreography is by Srimati Ganga Tampi of Kalakshetra.
नाथ हरे जगन्नाथ हरे नाथ हरे जगन्नाथ हरे नाथ हरे जगन्नाथ हरे सीदति राधा वासगृहे सीदति राधा वासगृहे नाथ हरे जगन्नाथ हरे सीदति राधा वासगृहे नाथ हरे जगन्नाथ हरे सीदति राधा वासगृहे नाथ हरे जगन्नाथ हरे पश्यति दिशि दिशि रहसि भवन्तम् पश्यति दिशि दिशि रहसि भवन्तम् तदधर मधुर मधूनि पिबन्दम् तदधर मधुर मधूनि पिबन्दम् पश्यति दिशि दिशि रहसि भवन्तम् पश्यति दिशि दिशि रहसि भवन्तम् तदधर मधुर मधूनि पिबन्दम् नाथ हरे जगन्नाथ हरे सीदति राधा वासगृहे नाथ हरे जगन्नाथ हरे मुकुरवलोकित मंडन लीला मुकुरवलोकित मण्डन लीला मुकुरवलोकित मण्डन लीला मधुरिपु अगमिति भावन शीला मधुरिपु अगमिति भावन शीला नाथ हरे जगल नाथ हरे सीदति राधा वास गृहे नाथ हरे जगल नाथ हरे त्वमसि विलम्बिनी विगलित लज्जा त्वमसि विलम्बिनी विगलित लज्जा विलपति रोदिति वासक सजा विलपति रोदिति वासक सजा त्वमसि विलम्बिनी विगलित लज्जा विलपति रोदिति वासक सजा विलपति रोदिति वासक सजा नाथ हरे जगल नाथ हरे सीदति राधा वास गृहे नाथ हरे जगल नाथ हरे नाथ हरे नाथ
Namaskar. I am Swati Lakshmanan. A very happy day for me today as I am performing at the Margari in San Francisco 2021. I hope we all are enjoying the lineup of artists from around the world and we are having more of them coming. Today, I'll be presenting two items, one Ashtapadi and a very famous and favorite Kirtana. This performance is a very important one, as this is one of the performances in my postpartum series. And this is a tribute to my guru, my friends,
my family, and everybody, each one of us, trying to get back into dancing and recovering in life. Namaskar.
Neela Kale
was a wonderful performance we all watched just now by Akila and Swati. Let's hear from our Guru, Sri K. Mohanan, on what he has to say about these performances. A little about Sri K. Mohanan. Guru Sri K. Mohanan is a Natya Kalaivanan and Natya Kalamani awardee, is a versatile and experienced Bharatnatyam dancer and guru, and is a graduate and professor at Kalakshetra Foundation, Chennai, India for almost 30 years now. Sri K. Mohanan visits USA and Europe every year and conducts workshops, lecture demonstrations, and advanced training for artists and students around the world. Sri K. Mohanan also has done extensive research in assisting the publication of the book Indian Tradition on South Indian classical dance for the South Asian Cultural Society with the support of Southampton University, London. We are very honored to have Sri K. Mohanan as our guest at the Margary in San Francisco 2021. Now, Guru Sri K. Mohanan will share a few words and honor our hosts.
Namaskaram. Very, very special day today. It's a very great honor and privilege for me today. I am seeing the progress of San Francisco's Margary Mahotsavam last year and this year. So important for the present situation. More than that, Indian art has so much value in it. Example, one slogam, Edo Hasta Sado, Edo Sado, Edo Manas Sado Babu, Edo Baba Sado. In this slogan itself, we can understand how much involvement we need to perform the Baba Raga. I used to take reverse form Ba Ra Dam. Ta first Talam. Then I will mix with the music, Ragam. Then Baba. Yes, we are just trying to coordinate so many good things we do in the form of San Francisco Margary Mahotsavam in San. Actually, we are in the different parts of the world. We are trying to collect from the people of the world together and celebrate our art form in the form of Margary Mahotsavam. And it's not easy to connect with the people. Here, I told last year also, Swati and Akila Rao doing very well this Mahotsavam, and all the participants are eagerly waiting for the years to come. Like that, I feel now these days, because the virtual meeting way we are taking the video and uploading, and we are seeing the person involvement, dedication, discipline, how much they learn from their guru. And here, this today is a very, 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 very important day for Swati and Rao. And I am particularly very happy to honor them the special award for this year 2021 Kala Kaustuba Award to Swati and it's a very, 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 very great honor for me to present this award to them. Navanidam, Kaustubam, all these divine words. To talk, there is more value. And this award is very, 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 very prestigious award according to me, because they are conducting the program so well. And I decide we can have the award to them. And very, very, very happy award. And I am congratulating each and everyone who participated last year and this year, even upcoming years. You can have the performance throughout the month, throughout the year, like that. Already we are achieved many, good, talented people in the Margazhi Mahotsav achieved their little goals, the small goals, at the time. And very soon, it will be a live performance in San Francisco as well as India. India, we are all meet and perform your wonderful Mahotsav. Thank you. You invite for your invitation for to honor Tava to Atya and Swati. Namaskaram.
Thank you for watching the performances of Margazhi in San Francisco 2021. Today, we look forward to seeing you all again tomorrow with yet another beautiful performances and more fun facts about Margazhi. This is Rama signing off. Namaskaram.